Hey, this is Bill from British Auto Works. Every car has a story. This is mine of my 1972 Triumph GT6. Maybe. In 1972, I drove this GT6 out of the factory in Coventry, England. From there, I drove it across the United States to Portland. In 1985, it pretty well got parked. Here it is 25 years later in 2010. We can restore a car in this fashion in 10 to 12 months. Right now, we're trying to do that same process in 3. At the biggest event that we can go to in our area, which is the All British Field Meet, it's held at Portland International Raceway, we are going to assemble this car within a 2-day period. We've got to put this together in essentially 24 hours. So we have to choreograph everything we need to do to be able to make that a successful show. What we're doing is going back to the old manufacturing books, looking up how they did in Coventry at the time, how they basically assembled the car from beginning to end, and we're going to replicate that process. Our biggest concern is going to be putting it back together. We have a lot of obstacles to overcome. It is really the signature car of the company. It's the first car I ever owned that was British. It sort of started all of this. We tore the car apart in 3.5 hours. Come and join us at the All British Field Meet on Labor Day weekend 2010 and watch us put it back together.